Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we're going to check the progression test style question number 8 of stage 8. This one is about the classification of the real numbers, and we are given a Venn diagram to locate these numbers on the right. Let's remember that the rational numbers are the ones that you could express it as a fraction. So you are going to put here, of course, fractions or decimals when the decimal doesn't have infinity digits. For example, 0.35, it would be a rational number. It doesn't go into the integers because integers don't talk about parts. So we are just going to put the one that expresses parts, like decimals and fractions, in this one, 127.3. And also the 3/5. We need to be careful because what if they put the fraction 8/2? It looks like a fraction and it's a rational number because it could be expressed as a fraction. But 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's actually a natural number. In this case, no, 3/5 is not even a unit, so yes, it's a rational number. So we already did this one, and this one. Now we need to classify -7, -3, and 9. So they are all integers, but the natural numbers are included in the integers, just taking the positive ones. So the 9 is the only one that it goes here in the natural numbers. And the other two are going to go in the integers. Notice that also means that these 9 -7 and -3 are also rational numbers, because you could just put a 1 down here and convert it into a fraction. But they are also integers because they represent whole units. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, do your own lessons with me if you want, and drop any questions you have in the comment box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.